Side thrusters are transverse thrusters placed at the forward and aft end of the ship. The thruster placed in the forward end is known as the bow thruster. Some ships are provided with the thruster in the aft end, which are called stern thruster. They are generally used for maneuvering the vessel near the coastal waters or while entering and leaving a port. The thruster propeller is placed in a tunnel which may be provided with grids at both ends. A high-capacity motor is used to run the thruster. The motor is connected to the thruster through shaft using pinion and gear. The propeller shaft is connected to the boss, which carries the blades. There is an oil distribution box at the end, which carries the pipes and arrangements to supply oil to CPP blades. The hydraulic oil operates the shaft, which is located inside the boss, to change the blade angle.